students. So we are back again with your chapter birds for class 3. This is the second part. So last class we discussed about birds, like the body parts of birds, and today we will be discussing about the beaks of a bird. The birds eat with their beaks, so they don't have any teeth. The size and shape of the beak, if you have observed carefully, you will see that the beaks of different birds are of different size and shape. So the size and shape of the beaks of the birds depend on what type of food they eat. Like for example, hummingbirds, they feed on nectar. So their beaks are long, straw-like, which helps them to suck nectar from the flowers. Again, in case of pigeon, you will see the beaks are small. Means the beaks are small and short, because this small and short beaks helps them to feed on grains. Again, in case of parrot, you will see the beak is strong and it is curved. The shape of the beak of the parrot is curved. So this curved beak helps the parrot to eat seeds and nuts. Again, sparrows, they feed on insects, then tender plants and seeds. So they have very short and small beaks. Now in case of pelicans, what do they eat? They eat fish. So they have broad, long and pointed beaks with a pouch. You will see the beaks of the pelican, the lower beak is having a pouch. So since they eat fish, so their beaks are modified in such a way. Then in case of duck, so ducks, what do they eat? They eat worms and plants. So they have broad and flat beaks. Next, moving on to toucans. So toucans live in the rainforest and they feed on fruits. They eat mainly fruits. So their beaks are broad, strong and long, which helps them in plucking the fruits and eating them. Then the beaks of kingfisher. So kingfisher, mostly they eat fish, crabs, frogs. So the beaks are strong, long and pointed, which helps them to catch the fish and crabs and frogs. Next, moving on to the beaks of the eagles. The eagles and owls have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. You will see, if you observe the beaks of the eagles and owl, they are strong, sharp and they are slightly hooked. So, because they are what type of animals? They are what type of birds? They are carnivorous birds. So, they feed mostly on small animals like mice, rabbits, snake, and even some eagles which live in the rainforest, they feed on small monkeys. So again, owls feed mostly feed at night and they feed on mice and frogs. Again, peacock. As we know, peacock is an omnivorous bird. So peacock feeds on snake, frogs, garden lizard, then tender leaves, seeds. So the beaks are sharp and pointed. Now next we will move on to the nest of birds. So we live in our home, but which is the home for the bird? It is their nest. So most birds make nest on trees and shrubs. So some birds like owls and parrot, they build their nest in the holes of the trees, and again some birds build their nest on the ground near the surface of water. So birds use various types of materials like twigs, dry leaves, grass, pebbles, feathers, etc. to make their nest. And why do they make their nest? They lay their eggs in the nest. After the bird has laid their eggs, after a few days, when the baby bird is hatched from the eggs, the parents birds feed and protect the baby bird in the nest, and the baby bird stays in the nest till they are able to fly on their own. So some different nests of birds are of different shapes. Now some nests are in the shape of cups or bowls, whereas some are like flat piles of stick. Most interesting two types of birds build a nest. One is tailor bird. Tailor bird, they make their nest by sewing the leaves together. They sew the leaves together to make their nest. Again, in case of weaver bird build their nest with long grasses and leaves and twigs and even roots, and it looks like a overturned pot. So with this we have come to an end of this chapter birds. So I hope it is clear to you. So these are your questions. Thank you.